Vive la France!
Kif illum ġiet fit-tmiem għal-World Cup ta' din is-sena, bit-timijiet fil-finali jkunu Franza kontra l-Kroazja, diversi partitarji nġabru biex jaraw il-logħba li għamlet interess kbir madwar id-dinja kollha. Net News mar Spinola f'San Ġiljan fejn kien hemm numru kbir ta' partitarji Franċiżi ftit qabel ma bdiet il-logħba. Ninsabu propju San Ġiljan biex naraw in-nies x'jaħsbu dwar il-World Cup ta' din is-sena.
It's wonderful. We've been so far, and it's wonderful that France come to this place already. We hope we can win.
I think it's a great thing for the communication with people for all the country around the world, and we are in final, and I hope we will win this year.
We will win tonight, and to go the fiesta all the night, and finger crossed.
We will win the World Cup, I think, and I hope.
We will win the Cup of the World because 20 years before you win, you won, and we will win.
Wara tmiem ta' din il-World Cup li jmiss mistenja li ssir 4 snin oħra fl-2022 f'Qatar.
Hands up for your colors. Vive la France!
Kristin Mamo għal Net News minn San Ġiljan.